Hello, today I'd like to tell you about a very important change to the Fair Deal scheme. After years of hard work, a huge achievement was made this week with the government's approval to publish a bill to update the Fair Deal nursing home support scheme to give greater protection for farm families and businesses. This was also a firm commitment in the Fianna Fáil manifesto last year.
The Fair Deal scheme is a system of financial support for people in need of long-term nursing home care. Changes to the scheme that Fianna Fáil has long sought will mean that after a period of 3 years, the value of a family-owned farm will no longer be taken into account when calculating the cost of a person's nursing home care. This will happen when a family successor commits to working the farm or business.
This change is essential to the viability and sustainability of the family farm, allowing them to be passed down to the next generations. Ultimately, the bill seeks to ease any unnecessary financial pressures placed on these families by updating the current law. It will ensure that the Fair Deal is fairer, more accessible and more affordable for farm families.
This has been a hugely emotive issue for farm families and communities across Ireland, and one that Fianna Fáil has now acted on. We are happy to have now made this critical step forward with the publication of this vital bill. We've listened, heard and responded to the calls from farm families and businesses seeking these fundamental reforms.
Making the Fair Deal for nursing home fairer for farmers has been an absolute priority for me and Fianna Fáil. I'm bringing the legislation into the Dáil this week. We expect full cross-party support so that these hugely important changes can be delivered without delay. Garv Mahabut.